Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to work this cute little bunny face applique. It's very simple and easy to do and uses basic stitches of crochet like half double crochet, single crochet and double crochet stitches. The face part of the applique is done using half double crochet stitches and the increases are done in a similar pattern that we follow while making a flat circle. Now for the ears, what I have done is I have used the single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet stitches in a certain sequence. When I am doing this, I'll explain to you how it is done using those stitches. And for eyes and nose, mouth part, I have used simple stitches. There is not any specific crochet stitches for this. If you know sewing well, then you can do it with using simple stitches. So let's see how this is done. First I would like to explain what are materials that we need for making this bunny face. Initially I need a 3.5 mm hook, 3 yarns. This blue color yarn I will be using for making the face, followed by red and maroon color yarn for making the nose and the mouth part. As well, you can go for black or brown colored yarn for making the eyes. A tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. So let's begin. Now first I am going to do a magic circle. Into this magic circle, I am going to work about 10 half double crochet stitches. So you continue working 10 half double crochet stitches into the magic circle. So I worked about 10 half double crochet stitches. I am going to pull the tail of the magic circle and close the circle tightly. And I shall slip stitch onto the top of my first half double crochet stitch. Now the second row for this circle would be to work 2 half double crochet into each of these half double crochet stitches. Since I've done about 10 half double crochet stitch in my first row, so at the end of the second row I'll be having about 20 half double crochet stitches all the way around. So into each of these stitches I'm going to work 2 half double crochet stitch. So sequence for the second row would be working 2 half double crochet stitch into each of these stitches. So you continue with this pattern. So here I finished with my second row and I am having 20 half double crochet stitches and I have slip stitched onto the first half double crochet stitch of my row. Now for the third row, again I will chain 1 and work 1 half double crochet into my first stitch followed by 2 half double crochet into the second stitch. So the sequence for this row would be 1, 2. 1, 2. That means 1 half double crochet into the first stitch followed by 2 half double crochet into the second stitch. So you have to follow this sequence throughout the entire row. So just watch out. Now into my first stitch I worked my first half double crochet. Into my second stitch I am going to work 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. Again 1 half double crochet into the next followed by 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So this is the pattern sequence for this row. So continue with the sequence till the end of the row. So here I have done with my third row and I have slip stitched onto the top of my first half double crochet. For this round, the number of stitches that I have is 30. Now in case if you want the bunny face applique to be more bigger, then you can work 1 or 2 more rounds in a similar pattern, and the increases will be same as that we work for a flat circle. I have already taken a tutorial for flat circle. In case if you haven't gone through it, then I shall provide a link above, so you can refer to that and work more number of rounds for your bunny face applique. So now since I have done with my face part, I shall move on to the ears. For working the ear, I need to slip stitch into my next stitch, and I am going to chain 9. Now after working this chain 9, again I will be slip stitching into the same stitch. So this forms one of my ears. Now I need to work inside this ear to give it to a nice shape. So I'll be going inside like this and working a slip stitch inside the ear. Once this is done, I need to work about 7 single crochets followed by 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. Again you have to follow the same sequence in the reverse way. I shall explain you how it is done. First I will make my 7 single crochet inside this ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'll be working 1 half double crochet followed by 2 double crochets, 1 more, again 1 half double crochet. Now I'll follow the same sequence that I had done earlier. I'll be working 7 single crochets into this ring. And this is my 7th single crochet. Once this is done, I need to slip stitch into the same space where I had done earlier. So one of my ears are done. So here as you can see, this double crochet and the half double crochet stitches give a pointed look for your ears. So in order to make the next ear, what I will do is I shall slip stitch into my next stitch and again work 9 chains. And again slip stitch into the same space. In order to work inside the ear, I will be slip stitching inside my ear. And the pattern is same as you have done for the first ear. So it will be like 7 single crochets followed by 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, again 1 half double crochet followed by 7 single crochets. So you follow the same sequence. So here I have done with my second ear too. And I have slip stitched onto the base as I had done earlier. Now I need to cut this yarn and leave a long tail so that it can be used to sew your bunny face applique to your crochet work. So this is done. Now we need to make make the eyes as well as the nose and the mouth part for this bunny. For this I have taken a brown colored yarn for making the eyes. The eyes are a simple cross stitch that I have done with the normal yarn and needle. To just the back part. And work one more eye. So your eye part is done. Just put the knots on the back part and cut the yarn. For the nose part, I have taken this maroon colored yarn. If you prefer, you can also go for red or pink, whatever is your choice. First, I'll make the nose. For this, I'll insert my needle into the center part of the magic circle that we had done earlier. So I'll be doing 3 to 4 times like this so that the nose is very prominently seen. Once this is done, I'll work the mouth part in this way. Now all this is up to your choice. There's no such particular way that you have to do this. Whatever is comfortable to you, you can follow that way. So I have sewed here about 4 to 5 times on the top so that it is very prominently seen. So this is how you can decorate your bunny face depending upon your own imagination. Now these bunny faces can be sewed onto your crochet work like baby caps or beanies or baby cardigans. If you make it more bigger, you can easily sew it to the baby cardigans and make it look very cute. In case if you are making it smaller than this, then you can sew it to a baby shoes and socks. so that they look very cute when it is worn by the baby. I'll just put the knot and show you how the finished face looks like. Now using this yarn, you can sew your bunny face applique to any of the projects that I mentioned before. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.